Here we go. Biggest ride of the year, Halloween 2021. All the biggest electric groups are coming together. I'm Santa this year. Oh my god, these are my boys. 1 second.
Oh man, this is tough.
Damn, bro.
Damn, what up?
What's up, buddy? What's up, bro? Come on.
Are you on this little guy?
Yeah, I'm on the mini one today.
You really on that?
Dude, wait until we're out there. It's crazy. Come on.
New whip.
Yeah. Yeah, go really easy on the throttle. That's sick.
I'd rather have one of these than a Sur Ron. Sur Ron is still sick as fuck. What's up, dude? Good seeing you, man.
Yeah. Buddy!
What up, brother?
Bro, it's been way too long.
You know, my hand is so cold and your hand is so
Oh, I'm sweating in this thing.
He's like the guy on that.
Oh, nice.
He wheelies and then he jumps on his seat.
Well, don't wheelie it, but I want to see you ride it. Bodie, go easy on the throttle, I'm telling you right now. It's the same power as the Sur Ron, but in this form factor. So go easy on it.
Side question, are you Santa Claus?
Yes, this is my sleigh.
Okay.
Is it not clear?
Oh, because of the lights.
Is this not clear? Bodie.
I'm on my own.
Go easy on that throttle, Bodie.
Oh, dude.
No, go easy on it, seriously. It'll loop on you.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yo, that's a Sur Ron, dog.
Bodie, I warned you.
Holy shit, did I just pop you in the whip?
Yeah, bro, I had all the lights set up. Oh, these break off.
Looped out? What happened?
I jumped on the bike. He told me it was a Sur Ron in the fucking little pit bike. I just didn't know where the center of gravity was at, and I popped.
Bro, you put your whole body and hit the throttle, bro.
I'll definitely get you that new Fendi, though.
Damn, they don't really sell these though. That's the problem. I think I got the second half of it on camera.
Yup.
Been way too long, bro.
I like the fit.
Thanks, man. Man, he fucked up my bike.
Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the hood, out the hood, out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came from one man, forget my peace. You take the west side, take out the east.
All right, sounds like we're out. Let me see that wheelie. Yeah! Scooby-Doo. Mini moto, let's go! Hell yeah. Yes! We're at the front of the pack right now. So, yesterday, I totally looped the Sur Ron. I ate shit, the bike went flying out from between my legs. I think I'll make a video with more detail. And long story short.
I thought you were injured, bro.
Yeah, bro, you know what? I was just telling the camera that. I bruised my heel, I hyperextended my knee, and I fell right on my butt. So my lower back is just dying right now, but it's been 24 hours and I'm back on the bike at the biggest ride out of the year. I couldn't miss it, so I'm not gonna be too crazy, but I'm out here, I'm still gonna wheelie. My man is on a chair. He is on a chair. This guy's definitely big dogging us right now on the Harley Live Wire. That thing is not an e-bike. It is electric though, so he's welcome. Men's looking badass on the 72 volt Sur Ron. Dude, right here, right here. Mini bike. Oh, one wheel down, one wheel down. Yeah! This is being as loud as possible right now. It's been so long! Mini moto! Halo action. This is my man right here. Wait, so what are these? What are these?
They're mini bikes converted to electric mini bikes.
Yes!
I just finished that one yesterday. I lost a little bit of torque, but enough for wheelies. But I have a
That's not electric. Yes! Yeah! Spaceman!
Yeah, that's a sick costume.
Dude, this is nuts, man.
Another lawn chair. Chilling. Yes, man! Oh, she's out. Hey, that was a cool little strip. All the skyline. This is so sick. Oh, up, 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 up.
Oh, shoot! The wall!
Hey, we're both one wheels right now. Yeah, this is so fun. Everyone's all dressed up. I'm injured, like I'm in pretty much constant pain right now, but I'm distracted by how fun this is and how cool that little mini bike is. Yeah. Looking good, dude. So this dude is on an EUC and he's remote controlling this RC car. So it's this guy, one-handed controlling the RC car, going like 30 miles an hour. Looking sick. Hey, I see you with the wheelies, bro. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh man, down. No.
Damage on arrival.
whoever you'd love to. The third Super 73. Okay, the executive salesman cost.
Got both the bikes out and they are not in their best shape. Sur Ron took a beating yesterday, like I said. I looped it, and at the beginning of the ride, my man Bodie looped the Mini. Rest in peace. And today, I am Santa Claus. I don't know if that's breaking a rule of Halloween, but Santa Claus got my sleigh.
Oh my god. Get out of the way!
Wow, that is a really strong little bike.
All right, we're out. Part 2 of this ride out.
They may be blinding me, just wait and see. 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 Just wait and see.
Let's go! We made it back in one piece. We gotta go get some food though, I'm hungry.
Fucking starving.
Last time I warned y'all, now this time I'm just sending shots.